Black Time Explosion was good.
Boom.
We got actually a special guest. He's on speakerphone. We're gonna do it like Shine for a minute. My homie.
We very ghetto with our.
What I say?
Yeah.
I said the first episode that we ain't got a budget. So a lot of that fancy stuff you hear in the regular radio station, you ain't gonna get it from WSPR.
But Mr. September 2nd is on the phone. CF 201 Ascension. Yo.
Yeah, what's good, my brothers? How y'all?
Chillin', man.
Just glad to be here, glad to be, you know what I'm saying, partaking with my brothers.
Always.
Black Time Explosion.
We just gonna get you here one way or the other.
Yeah. I mean, you might as well. You almost a co-host. You know. Shoot.
Debater part 3.
I know.
What's poppin'?
Chilling. What you up to?
Nah, man, I'm prepping and getting ready for this release for September 2nd.
September 2nd.
Word up.
Yeah, so like on Tuesday it's on and popping, and on the release of Ascension, I'm also gonna be premiering a video for this song that I have on my project named Extra. So be on the lookout for that. It's directed by the homie Neff, who goes by aka the last big boy.
Word.
Like he did videos for like Raekwon and various other people and whatnot. So it's gonna be popping.
Yo, like honestly, I followed you my whole life, like music wise, and this is probably, just from what I heard, my favorite CF album. Just the artwork. When I first seen, shout out to Sue Works, that man is amazing with the artwork. But when I first seen just the Ascension cover, it got me hyped. And then sitting there listening to each track, I was like, yo, I'm copping this. Even if you give me a free copy, I'm probably gonna still go out and cop it.
Word up. What cities you about to go to, bro?
What cities? Well, I'm gonna be at the underground hip hop store, actually. So underground hip hop in Boston.
All right.
I think it's on the 10th, and then on the 11th we're gonna be in Cambridge, and soon we have a show actually in Rhode Island. So immediately after the release, I'll be like in New England promoting the project. Then on the 20th, I'll be out in Texas, and then eventually we're gonna end up going to Australia, New Zealand, and possibly South Africa. So all of these things are a lot of work. I actually just had a call to like go to Brazil. My boys having like a film festival out there at the City of God, and they wanted me to go out there, and I'm still contemplating should I not, because you know, got a lot of stuff going on, but that's what I got lined up.
They're gonna be over there talking that Prata Prada.
Yeah.
Word up, that Portuguese. That's what's that, yo. People, wherever y'all at, if y'all heard where he going, go check the brother out. He goes in.
Or if you're there already, yeah, exactly.
Go pick up them tickets and go check
these
these guys.
Anybody wants to know any shows or exactly what cities I'll be hitting up next, hit me up on like Instagram, CF201. Hit me up on my Twitter, CF201. Or even go to my Facebook artist profile, Constant Flow, or Viper Records.
I'm pretty sure the itinerary is up there.
I'm really like social media friendly. Like I'm always interacting with my fans on the internet. So
I'll be the first to tell you, CF is one funny dude on social networks.
Just don't say nothing crazy.
Yeah.
he might come see you like Jane Silent Bob at the end of the movie.
He wasn't expecting this. like what happens in Vegas? You know what happened. You know. So open the door and get punched in the face. Don't say nothing.
Yo.
CF, if there's two things CF is known for.
You Rocket Head 94?
Two things CF is known for. Dope raps and punching people in the face.
Shout out to Juice Star.
Shout out to the cookies. We played a little Juice Star a little earlier.
Insider. Y'all might hear about that story on the next album.
Yo, that's a realness. Or we might have to do a little.
Story, man. Juice Star come out for that.
You know, we don't want to get nobody in trouble, so we're not gonna talk about it now. But let's just say that if we're gonna have to talk with the legal team, but it might be a sketch coming towards you.
That would actually be a dope ass sketch. I mean, Juice Star is my man. Shout out to him. He definitely helped me down there.
That's a dude.
We just played one of his joints right before he played your joint.
So
That's the dude. Like, yo, that's what I tell people all the time. You gotta be local in your neighborhood, but if you in Jersey City, you gotta check us out.
Yeah,
you know,
we get it in. Brother, we not gonna hold you up for long, man. We're gonna let you get it in. We just wanted to throw you on the air real quick since your album coming out in like 3 days.
You know.
Yeah, man. Like my album coming out soon. Y'all could check me out on all the social media sites that I told you. It's also it's pre-orders available right now on iTunes. If you look for Constant Flow, Ascension, you'll find it there. And there's gonna be tons of shows, a bunch of stuff. I got my brother DONTIQUE on the joint as well.
I'm there.
You already know.
We're gonna have an album release soon. You know, Viper is gonna give me the rundown on exactly when it'll be actually at the Pyramids where everything really started at the end of the week show.
Yo, dub,
anybody who knows about anybody who doesn't know about the end of the week show, that's shame on you, but the end of the week show is like one of the longest running open mics in the New York City area, so.
Shout out to Big Zoo, vice versa. Word up.
Yeah, shout out.
Wami is on the joint Mortal Technique. Akia, Hassan Salam, my brother from Jersey City, Hassan Salam. My brother, the Battle Extraordinaire, Swave Seba. You know, he goes out on URL, he goes out in with Tinami.
Word up.
Mad brother, Beast 1333, another Jersey City head. You know,
so
it's gonna be really dope.
So this is a Represent album.
Yeah, Torre killing them beats too.
Yeah, oh man.
Torre killing the beats.
My brother killing the beats.
Word up.
I mean, Unit on the beats as well. So crazy mixes. Everything's gonna be like crazy phenomenal. And I'm in the process of getting mad videos pumped out. So anything you see from me is gonna be quality. If you see Sia, you hear Sia, you know you're gonna get quality work.
Check out that Ascension video. That Hiroshima Schumacher mix up.
Ascension video right now, you could just put Ascension Viper, Ascension Space Viper in your YouTube, and it just shows up right there. Or you could go to my personal artist page, Constant Flow on Facebook, and you'll see it there as well. So come check me, man. I'm releasing the sun. I got something for ya.
Word up.
Come check the kid out.
But yo, you have a good one, my G.
Yo, you too, my brother, man. Tell Monty and everybody else know what's up.
Alright.
Biko.
Yo.
You and your family, Vic. While me, my brother.
You already know. All y'all my brothers.
You know, Perry family. Santos family. Tell them I'll send my regards, man. Love y'all.
Peace. Love.
Jersey City, peace. CF, it's your boy. One.
That's the homie right there, CF.
Word
you
up.
know, like, yo, I'm excited. I'm excited. Like, that's my dude.
I got the shirt on right now.
I know, yo. You know, that's what I'm saying.
You gotta support. Huh?
Walk out the crib. He didn't even tell me. He brought it home, he set it up. He had his own Ascension shirt. His son got one. I ain't got one. That's all I'm saying.
I don't know, Pico.
That's all I'm saying. I don't know.
You know how I got mine? I'm not even gonna lie. Even though CF was just on the line, he gave it to me. I'm pretty sure it was his, and I didn't give it back. I jacked it. What? Pretty sure he'll get another.
Hey, I'm pretty sure he got a box of them somewhere in the vault.
The one of mine. I wasn't waiting.
Hey, Black Time Explosion, we don't wait. We keep y'all waiting.
Don't pay like y'all do. PJC.
PJC.